Helele, 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 hey. Welcome back. So if you are from episode 1, welcome to episode 2. So we are going to be continuing, or we are going to be proceeding, yes, with this Q&A or this update on me cutting my hair. Remember guys, I am 1 month old in cutting my hair. Yes, so yeah, let's continue and talk and dwell more on those questions. So the first question is is it true that having short hair is low maintenance? It's very true. It's very, very true. It's true. It's the truth. Believe them when they tell you that, because it's coming from one. Remember, since I've cut my hair, I never bought anything to maintain my hair. I have been using all those old shampoos that I bought when I had my hair, and I am using only a small amount of it. And if I don't feel like using shampoo, I just use my sunlight that I use to wash my body with. Yeah, I'm a sunlight baby. I don't use those scented sunlight. So like, it's less. You don't have to go to the salon to plait your hair. You don't have to buy any hairpiece to plait your hair. It's just like free. What are the benefits of having short hair? The benefits of having short hair: you save money, it's low maintenance, you don't have to deal with your hair every day. Yeah, you save when it comes to buying products. You don't need too much or many products for your hair. Trying out new products for when it is damaged, you can easily cut it off. Okay, so this one, it came about with like maybe if you have this short natural hair, you can try out new things, you can try out new products, you can try out maybe to relax your hair, you can try out maybe to dye your hair, so even if like if you're trying out those new things and it damages your hair, you can easily cut off your hair, because your hair is short, right? Rather than when it's long, it won't be easy to cut long hair. When you were bald, how did you had confidence, self-esteem, and loving yourself or your hair or your head being bald? For me, self-love, that's the thing that like I love about myself. Self-love, I think it has to come with your self-loving you within you, you accepting yourself the way you are. So the moment when it goes to having low self-esteem, you already love yourself. You don't have that thing that like, what will people say? How are people going to look at me like, so it comes with self-esteem. So I can say that's how it came from loving myself to me having a high self-esteem and me being confident enough. It comes with having to love yourself first and building that self-esteem and that self-confidence within you in such a way that like you are able to go out there and never be bothered about what people are saying about you. I've cut my hair. I know there were people who were like, oh, you cut your hair, like, sis, it's my hair, not your hair, right? It's my head, not your head. It's my money, not your money. So me cutting my hair, it was like one of the beautiful things that like I enjoyed, and it brought the woman in me, the woman who loves herself, the woman who has self-esteem, the woman who doesn't care what other people are saying about her behind her back, even if they would come and approach me and be like, oh, it's like this and that. I don't care. Keep your opinion to yourself, because your opinion won't penetrate me it won't penetrate me negatively in my life, because I know I love myself, I have self-confidence, I have self-esteem. I love myself. So I loved myself more when I was bald. I think I learned to love myself more because it showed my other side of beauty. Oh, yeah, of beauty. That's how confident I am. I know I'm beautiful. Even if you don't believe that, I know I am. It showed that other part of me that, this person loves herself. This person is confident enough. This is me. This is who am I. I had to be there on the mirror and be like, this is me. This is who am I. This is how I look like. So I had to I had to live with myself. It didn't give me an option that like I have to run away from myself. You have to be there for yourself because no one else will be there for you, and love yourself deeply. What are your plans for your hair now? My plans is to just let my hair grow. Either like, do I want to cut it or not? But like, my plans for my hair is just to try out new things if I let it grow. Is it advisable to use different brands when you're washing your hair and drying it? I would say it's not advisable. If like you decide to use the native child conditioner and shampoo and everything, just use one brand. If you are using the Pearl Tusi, just use that Pearl Tusi brand. If you are using the Afro-Bonetics brand, just use that brand. If you are using the original brand, just use that brand. Like, just try to focus on using one brand when you are washing your hair, drying your hair, and then putting some lock or using some lock or LCO method for your hair. I don't see any problem if you use different types of brands. How often should I wash my hair? You should wash your hair or co-wash your hair once a week. When you co-wash your hair, you can use a co-wash or you can use a conditioner. Which products would you recommend for hair growth? Like, honestly, when it comes to hair growth, just try remedies instead of products. When I talk about remedies, it's using an aloe vera leaf, it's using rice water, it's using onion juice along with ginger. It's using rosemary for your hair. Try remedies, those remedies that are out there. Try everything. Don't limit yourself. I've heard people who are like, don't try everything for your hair because your hair might not like it. No, sis, try everything out for your hair. If it doesn't work, just leave it until you find what works for you. So like, if you want a good result for hair growth, stop just trying only products that you buy at the store. Have your own remedies. Try out remedies. Try out those DIYs or those things that, like, you get what I mean. Try remedies for hair growth. That's my advice when it comes to hair growth. If you don't see any progress with your hair, try those remedies, or just cut your hair like me. Or join me on cutting my hair. You will see it growing. And you can't see your hair growing like that. This is the thing, guys. If your hair is longer, you wouldn't see your hair growing rather than when it's short like mine. Because for me, I can see that like my hair is growing because I didn't have hair at all, but now I have hair on my scalp. Yeah, so you can just try out any remedies that are out there. How old was your hair on that picture you took on 2017? You would be shocked if I tell you how old my hair it was. I'm just going to put the picture of it here. There's someone who asked about like a picture that I posted. Sometimes when I miss my hair, I usually post old pictures of my hair. So like, my hair on that picture that I took in 2018, around this time of the year, it was 1 year old. How do you grow your hair first, especially when it is short? For me right now, I just let my hair grow. I'm not that type of a person who likes my hair to grow fast. I'm very patient. I'm just trying to let my hair grow. How do you keep your hair from breaking? Do not comb your hair while it's dry, so it will obviously break. And one another thing I used to do to keep my hair from braiding, let's say I had maybe a hairstyle on, so before washing my hair I would like apply oils on my hair and scalp, and then when I'm washing my hair, I wash my hair, and then I co-wash my hair, apply some leave-in conditioner and do the lock method. And another thing, use some protein treatment with the hair mayonnaise, and also use the hot oil treatment. Yeah, those things, they also help with reducing the amount of your hair breaking. Hair growth and being patient while it grows. Patience is key. That's my middle name. Patience is key when it comes to anything that you want to do. Patience should be your key. Even right now, I'm being patient with my hair. I had long hair. Surely I would be missing my hair and wanting that long hair, wanting to pop and be like, yeah, girls with afro. Like, patience is key. So be patient with your hair. Let it grow at its own rate, right? Especially while it's this short, just like enjoy. Like, I'm at a point in life where I'm like, I'm gonna let my hair grow, I'm gonna let my hair be, and enjoy it while it's this short, and have many memories. As like, life is too short to be rushing to things that, like, they will arrive at its own time. So I'm at a point where I'm like, you know what, let me enjoy myself, let me enjoy me having short hair. So I think it's important to be patient with your hair while it grows.